Imagine a world where car headlights are smarter, more efficient, and cost-effective. Hello, my name is Ingo, and I am the Director of Business Development at Sunex. At the recent DVN lighting workshop, I presented on how aspherical lens designs are revolutionizing automotive lighting, offering solutions that traditional spherical optics simply can't match. As a rule of thumb, one aspherical lens can replace two spherical elements, simplifying designs and reducing costs. This innovation can lead to better performance, smaller packages, and the ability to create more complex lens shapes and flange geometries. Fewer parts mean shorter total track length, higher transmission, and lower weight. These benefits often translate directly into potential cost savings and improved performance for automotive lighting systems. Plastic Aspheres are the most economical choice for high-volume production. The injection molding process, required for any plastic element, basically provides aspherical surfaces at zero additional cost, making them ideal for large-scale manufacturing. Understanding the cost dynamics of different lens materials is crucial. Plastic is often preferred over glass when cost efficiency and higher program volume are key considerations. Every system using plastic Aspheres requires consideration of its behavior over the operating temperature range. Passive compensation and strategic material placement are essential to maintain performance across temperature variations. System-level validation is crucial, reviewing the system's thermal behavior and considering focal shift and MTF over temperature as acceptance criteria ensure reliability. Let your program requirements drive the solution, not design preferences. Balancing performance, volume, and cost targets is key to optimal lens architecture. A design and manufacturing partner is vital and needs to have experience across all design forms, ensuring your requirements will dictate the solution, not the supplier's limitations. Understanding manufacturing tolerances and system behavior over temperature are required to build a lasting solution. Our patent-pending HD lighting designs showcase the power of Aspheres. Our experience and capabilities in lens design set us apart in the industry. Selecting a lens partner experienced in all design forms and manufacturing is crucial to your success. At Sunex, we look forward to exploring how we can support your optical design needs. Please contact us, and we can innovate together for a brighter automotive future.